me da se odofo se ukoswa ehwe Adom TV na ho te sei mate waje me so me din ene ni tekotego ubo odi anka be me de Kingsley Mensa ana adwoa ana o se fro se nana mate inu fan onu nyuma job ene so me koso ame na wo ka ensem amato ni wise words of inspiration and someone betie be show nkran. You will be remembered for two things. Ababa oboy. The problems you solve or the ones you create. you, your husband or your wife, your family or your children, your parents or your friends, your colleagues at work, remember you for just two things. Even God, remember you for two things. The problems you solve and the ones you create. One, the problems you are ready to solve. Two, the problems you create. Dan kwama we are na de ka wo nye o ka o toye enye madodo awore wom enye dan we see but you'll be remembered for two main reasons: the problems you solve for others or the problems you created. Simple ye be ka dan kwama ye be ka ewo empo or how a ope anu aduro ya we free enipa so se ba na busua ba na bro na ote so ne o man so a how be be da o man so a otimi nya anu aduro how be be adwuma mu a wo gina si nkete eyi free ho e bia mekan Adom TV a obi upon 4 o'clock wo de otimi twen upon 4:30 e bia obi aba adwuma 8 o'clock wo de otimi ba 7:30 ene de be ka wo se akwa wo de oba adwuma ntamu o akwa wo de upon kro twen kakra o ena kwa afa so eye wadwuma ehotwa. That's the only way you'll be remembered. Or you better when someone out there better nipa so the problems you created or your wife for. So you better out that chia. And when your man will bo anu onya anu aduro na empo nyoma we ya e de oha brand mo ukunusu sa nta baba wo bo no ne ma mienu na ebe gina so aka wo the way na open. The problems you are ready to solve and the problems you create. And the problems you solve gives you the rewards of life. And some of no apa no aduro no eno abrabo so nkatua. You see, anyone who feels wretched and poor does not mean they don't have opportunities for growth. Obi a wo brabo mu a wodi hia wabrabo nkoyie no eno nche se akwanya ni ho sa obedi yie. Obi a waware nkoyie, obi a osikasem nkoyie, obi a pomodin atija pansam, obi a brabo enkoyie no eno nche se akwanya ni ho ma. Nemom de wona say there's absence of wisdom. Nyansa na apare wo. Wisdom means knowledge and understanding. Hwehunu ne ntiase a eni wo ntino ena ma wo so bre. Nyansa nchirase ne hwehunu eni empo nchirase ntiase. Knowledge and understanding creates wisdom. So if you are wretched, seek wisdom. And now the absence of direction to where you are going. Number two, se empo wunnim bebia do abrabo eko. Eno so ka ho na wo bre. Se wunnim bebia wo do wa wade eko. Se wonte wa abrabo edin dachi me say. Watching be person me say when you don't have a direction for your life, where you are taking your life to, you suffer. Then absence of good conduct. Subampa. Subampa. Suban hutwa. Suban edimu. Suban yebo se ehwe. Suban yeyi na ye. Eno na de ye de ba. Wo ho woni etumirika ewo Olympic Games na de e suban no na de. Oye sheda ye training akogina agofama so na kiti subane. Odin kunima a na ebo no say Olympic champion. If you want to ball equal and say about World Cup, I'm some fra ko be Messi. Me fra ba ko so Mbappe. E dey ntina wo dem fu a osuban wo de ball no. Wa bra bo te say ball. Suban ben e na wo de practice. Suban ben e na de bubra. Suban papa. Ana e biara suban no a so obi kan say wo na no a me de American say suban no a usubanu na do beko. na osuban no ado aba ebiom adwene ehutwa. So I'm going to give you 4 things you need to gather to create a change in your life. 1, acquire wisdom, acquire knowledge and understanding, reason right, reasoning, adwene. Number 2, find where you are going to with your life. Find out where you are going to with your health, and find out where you are going to with your work. Star. Hina wabra ba obu na doko. Say nya no wajai. I say wutu kwan akokumase ofinkra ha. Na de wani a kire empoano okofa sheep akokumase. Na komase po na ho na akofa sheep. Enti kwan afa so bu bra no. Bisa ho se eye kwan de okoba bia opese oduro. Ana ede kwan a ebe mo ayira. Na wagya mu ne mfa sheep enkokumase. And so commercial on a puniho or the ship or ship market. So when you know you are not doing the right things, stop and change what you are doing. 3, the absence of good conduct. Subainwa. Ya brabo ayebo ye bre any ye dear subanwa. Ya wadi ayebo subanwa. Ya disu ayasuya subanwa. Ya ni ye nyina ye subanwa. The subano sasa. The besisa. Ena kura no. Kwa ya faso edwene. Adwene pa. The friend protocol optimism. Adwene hutwa. Adwene ehwam ewo obramre mu. Adwene Kenya wo. Adwene edinya sapa ejina wadwene proso. Positive thinking is the best way to think. Do not think negatively. Don't think anger thoughts. Ebufu wo so arapa wemuna. Obuafu. Tuchini. Udi ayere wo. Tuchini. Wasa tekwa complain jai. Adwene be Kenya wo. Me sefata ene be koyie ene me de sefata me so meye o mama me so betu agira me now so aye de sefata. Begin to affirm positively. Your life will become great. The absence of opportunities does not make you wretched. It is the absence of wisdom, the absence of direction, the absence of good conduct, and the absence of positive thinking. That is why you are where you are. If you want to change your life, think positively, create a good conduct routine, and have a direction for your life, and acquire wisdom. Wisdom, the fear of the Lord. You can say the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. When you say, so by your then the dino, excess, usunyame, wado, pepeyo, nyansa, adumadni, was sum, and excess, nyansani. Nyansani nya dia wa hwa no ho asetarepa akonko no ho onye nyansani nyansa ne se wo yodo se watu hu asi wa abibia ma obi se wo yosompani na mpo wano kasa ehye nkran na mpo epagya wankasa na wo suba no eda ne mapadi ene ye fro so wo nyansani ene we na mrija wo onyame nhira wate onyame ma onyansa onyame nhya wo de suba mpamu onyame ma hunu kwa afa bo obra na asem nya kane ama wona ase na onyame nyansa enore wadwene proso na fa bo obra na fa ye dia wo ye edin yam je so ene ne tekotego me da se onya mre hwe me mama me na eja Larry ase e wo camera na me nya Francis ne Frank e na osmosis ase e wo sound na me na MCR lighting e na floor managers nya ase kwakwa me na Randolph e na eja web campaign me producers ase me edin yam je so ene ne tekotego empo badwa madwuma die ekoso a ekoso nye fide ne mfiri ha koso na TV ne na Adom TV makrao unu nyame ntina